Hello, wonderful people. Welcome to this new video presentation. In this particular video, I want to quickly show us how you can create a WhatsApp group. Maybe you are a novice in the WhatsApp milieu and you're wondering how you can create a WhatsApp group. So the first thing is you're going to go to WhatsApp. Then what you do is you click on this three dots at this corner. The first thing there you see is what? New group. We're going to create. Click there. And then you're going to select the people that you want to be part of your group. You're going to select them. You're going to select all the people that you want to be part of that particular group. And then you can, if you are not seeing them, you can search. You can search who you want to add to that group. When you're done, you click on this arrow to continue. Then the next thing is going to ask your name, the name of the group. Let me say affiliate marketing info. Okay. Then you're gonna take on this tick. You're going to say they are creating group. That is it, your group has been created. Now you can go ahead and set a profile picture for your group. How do you do that? Simply click on this name of the group. It's going to appear like this. Then you click on this face like image. Then they are going to open it up and you go to your gallery. Then you go to where the picture is. Then you're going to select the picture you want to use. And then you take done. Then you wait for it to upload. Still uploading. Okay, icon uploading. So that is it. You can go ahead and set to some other settings. You can come back later and add. Click on add participants if you want to add some other people. Then click there. It opens here and then you can add participants. Thank you for this quick video. If it was helpful, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel